Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start chapter number 5 and that is about division. Topic is division using the number line. Now you see there is a number line and the question is how many jumps of 4 can bunny make from 20 back to 0. The question is that a bunny or a rabbit, when it is on point 20, and how many jumps of 4 he can make to reach back to 0. So here you have to do the table of 4. Now you know how many times of 4 equals to 20. You will say the table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16 and 4 fives are 20. So it means bunny can make 5 jumps of 4. Say 20 divided by 4 equals to 5, or you can write 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Now I have given you some practice of this. Complete these using the number line. One has been done for you. You see first one, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So when you say the table of 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. So the answer is 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. Answer is 4. Similarly 12 divided by 3 equals to, you will say the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So the answer is 4. Similarly third one is 14 divided by 7 equals to dash. So you will say the table of 7. 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So the answer is 2. Then is 12 divided by 2 equals to dash. So you'll say the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12. So the answer is 6. In the same manner you will do the remaining sums. Now next topic is division word problems. There are some word problems of division. First one is there are 12 ice creams with 4 in each set. How many 4s are there in 12? They are saying there are 12 ice creams with 4 in each set. There are some sets and in each set their total number of ice creams are 12 and and the sets 4 in each set and the number of ice creams in each set are 4. So the question is how many 4s are there in 12. You have to find out that how many 4s are there in 12. We can say 12 divided by 4 equals to 3 because you will say the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are 12. Are 3 times 4 equals to 12. So the answer is 3. Similarly next question is how many 3s are there in 16. 6. How many 3s are there in 6? We'll say the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. It means there are 2 3s in 6. So the answer would be 2. How many 2s are there in 6? You will say the table of 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So the answer would be 3. How many 2s are there in 6? 3 2s. There are 3 2s in 6. Third question is there are 8 flowers with 4 in each set. How many 4s are there in 8? We say 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. You have to find out that how many 4s are there in 8. we write 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. You will say the table of 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Or 2 times 4 equals to 8. How many 3's are there in 15? 15 divided by 3 is equal to dash. We will say the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9 and 3 fives are 15. So the answer would be 5. How many 5's are there in 15? 15 divided by 5 is equal to dash. So you'll say the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So the answer is 3. 12 bananas shared equally between 3 chimpanzees. How many bananas does each chimpanzee get? Total number of bananas are 12 and they are shared equally between 3 chimpanzees. So you have to find out the bananas does each chimpanzee get. You will divide equally among the how many chimpanzees? Among the 3 chimpanzees. So you'll write 12 divided by 3 is equal to dash, and 3 you will say the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12. So the answer would be 4. 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. More about division. Now we can also write this division. This is the division sign. We write division like this: 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. This form is very fine for very simple sums. We can also write them like this. We can also write in this form 5 like 15 divided by 5. So you will say the table of 5. How many times 5 equals to 15? 3 times 5 equals to 15. You will write 3 above, and this helps us do sums with big numbers. This is known as long division. Here is the number to be divided. It is called the dividend. The number which you have to divide is called dividend. And then the number which comes out at the end is the quotient. The number or the answer is called the quotient. I have labeled it. You can see in this book, in your booklet, I have labeled the dividend, quotient, and the third number. Here is the number which divides. It is called the divisor, and the number which divides the dividend is called the divisor. So you'll, in this long method, you will remember these 3 terms: dividend, quotient and divisor. Number 1 is complete these in your notebook. You have to do these sums in your notebook, or you can do it on your booklet too. First one is 15 divided by 5. So what would you do? You would say the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 5 threes are 15. So here the quotient will be 3. Then is 14 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. The quotient will be 2. Then is 24 divided by 6. So you'll say the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18 and 6 fours are 24. So the quotient will be 4. Then is 16 divided by 8. So you'll say the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So the quotient will be 2. Then is 12 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. The quotient would be 4. And you will solve the remaining sums in the same manner. Thank you.